Welcome inside a modern produce factory, where raw vegetables become retail-ready products through precision, speed, and care.
Every batch arrives on our cold chain, so freshness, texture, and safety are protected from the very first step.
Each lot is checked visually first, because good processing starts with good raw material.
Temperature and quick quality readings confirm the produce is still in the right condition for the next stage.
And the factory begins to move as one.
This is the first human filter, where experience catches what speed alone would miss.
Now the line separates each product by physical behavior, so every type can be.
For root vegetables, pre-washing removes the heavy soil first, preparing them for a more controlled cleaning stage.
Leafy greens need a gentler approach, cleaned thoroughly while preserving the structure that makes them look and feel fresh.
Whole vegetables with delicate skins are washed slowly and evenly, so their appearance stays market-ready.
The wash water is filtered continuously, keeping hygiene high while conserving water across the entire line.
Here, friction and water work together to clean deeper, without stripping or damaging the surface.
Before they go any farther, the greens have to lose excess surface water so the next steps stay accurate and clean.
Dry surfaces matter here, because the cleaner and drier the product is, the more accurate the next inspection becomes.
Machine systems do a lot, but the last visual check still depends on trained eyes and fast decisions.
Every batch is weighed, so the rest of the line can stay balanced, predictable, and efficient. At production speed, machine vision catches defects the human eye would struggle to track one by one. From here, every stream follows its own path, but all of them stay part of one tightly coordinated system. This is where fresh greens become ready-to-eat salad, cut quickly but kept clean and consistent. The cut has to be consistent because shape affects both presentation and portion control. This ingredient adds crunch and color, so the cut has to be even enough to look as good as it eats. Sizing matters because different markets and package types call for different weight and volume profiles. Too much water would weaken the package, so this step brings the greens to just the right level of dryness.
For whole fresh vegetables, a final sanitation step adds another layer of protection before the package is sealed.
Automation lets the factory move fast without losing consistency, even with products as light and variable as cut greens.
Every tray needs the same balance of ingredients, and this is where the portions are dialed in with real precision.
At the center of the plant, dozens of precise actions happen at once, all connected in one uninterrupted flow.
After cutting and drying, the greens are quickly brought back down in temperature to protect texture and shelf life.
This final hand finish gives the product the clean, uniform appearance customers expect when they open the pack, while a female voice offers a brief.
For whole vegetables, the goal is a fresh, natural finish. Never too wet, never too dry.
Even the cut pieces get one more dimensional check, because consistency is part of the promise.
Now the package enters the story, and every movement has to keep up with the speed of the line. This seal protects freshness, hygiene, and structure, and it has to be flawless every single time. Any weak seal or underfilled pack is removed immediately, and shelf appeal.
The system scales by running several fresh pack lines in parallel. Root vegetables need breathable packaging, and the pack has to stay strong from the shelf all the way back through transport. Onions are handled a little more gently here, because their dry outer layer is part of what keeps them protected.
Every finished pack gets a traceable identity because every lot has to be tracked.
Automation checks a lot, but this final human look is still one of the most trusted steps in the whole process. Small fresh packs are grouped automatically, so every shipping case leaves with the correct count and the right product mix.
Some products still need human judgment at case pack, especially when natural shape and weight vary from bag to bag.
At this point, the product becomes a shipping unit, sealed and structured for the final. One last weight check confirms that every case contains exactly what it should before it moves on.
At every stage, our focus is on delivering the freshest, highest quality produce, sourced directly from the fields to your table. Retained samples close the documentation loop, giving every production lot a physical record that can be traced back at any time.
For this ode. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. We hope this gave you a deeper look at how real quality is made and quality and why trust matters.